I think it was really good to have a partner just like dedicated to each other. I feel like for me, it just helped me get the hang of it much faster. I'm Alex Villarreal. I'm from California, Los Angeles, and I'm in window tinting class. So the overall experience was great. It's a lot of information that you're gonna have to take in and everything, but the way the instructor explains everything, it's like really easy to take all that information in. It's like he just opens the door and he's like, okay, here's all the information you need, closes it, and it just stays there because of the way he explains it, the way he shows you. He actually shows you how to do everything. He shows you the mistakes that you can make. And then if you do make a mistake, he tells you to keep going. And then after, so you actually get that experience on making that mistake and then how to recover from it or just do it again without making a mistake. It's different because with wrap, you can actually like stretch the film a lot and everything, but here you can't stretch it. Like I found myself wanting to, the term we use is glass the film, but I can't do that because I forgot the word, but it'll mess up the actual film for the tinting. So it's not, I wouldn't say it's anything like wrapping. It's a totally different thing in itself. I think it was really good to have a partner just like dedicated to each other. So like he would watch me and he would actually tell me what to do the first time. He would read off the list and he would watch me. So when he would do it, he would kind of mirror the way I did it. So it's just, we're learning off of each other and, seeing what not to do, seeing what to do. And I feel like it's a lot more helpful having that one person to be with you the whole time, because I feel like for me, it just helped me get the hang of it much faster. I didn't see in the packages that they're gonna put marketing or anything like that, but when they did, and on the final days of our classes, they teach us like, okay, this is how this works and how much you should price for this and that. It was just like more than I could have ever expected, because now I know how to price my products. I know how to price for my services and everything like that. And I feel like it's just an extra helping hand to push me through that door. I feel really the word accomplished, just really proud of myself, because I can go out there and just be like, yeah, I can do this and that. And they're like, oh, I know people who can do that too. It's like, yeah, but are they certified? Did they go to the school for it? Everything like that. Just my confidence has skyrocketed because of when I was I was like, damn, I'm gonna start a business and I don't know what I'm doing. But now that I'm certified and I've had practice, and I just feel amazing because I can do everything. I'm gonna get my own shop and start wrapping, detailing, and tinting, and go from there. And hopefully, pray to God that this takes off and everything. So to the people who are looking at all these packages and wanting to take this class, I know it's a big investment. Right? For myself, I was like, damn, this is a lot of money, but in the end, you're gonna get your money back tenfold. It's really worth it, and the experience you're gonna get out of here is gonna be unforgettable. And to Right Look, thank you guys so much. These classes have been more than I could have ever expected and asked for. So thank you guys. This is a great company, and your training program is amazing.